Ever wonder why your car guzzles more gas than you expected? Aggressive driving with rapid acceleration and hard braking is a major culprit. It's not just about easing up on the pedal. Maintaining a steady speed and using cruise control on highways can work wonders for your fuel economy. But it's not all about how you drive, it's also about how you care for your car. Did you know that simply keeping your tires properly inflated can save you up to 3% on fuel? And don't forget the air filter. A clean one can boost your fuel efficiency by a whopping 10%. Regular maintenance is key, from the tires to the exhaust system, to keep your car running efficiently. The quality of fuel you use also plays a role. Low-quality fuel can clog up your engine's works, leading to poor combustion and decreased performance. Stick to the recommended fuel grade and consider additives to keep your engine in top shape. In the end, your vehicle's thirst for fuel can be tamed. With smoother driving, diligent maintenance, and quality fuel, you can save at the pump and help our planet breathe a little easier.